This is going to be a raw video, guys, because I want to show you a step by step how you can get started with affiliate marketing if you're a complete beginner. So I have been doing affiliate marketing since 2017, and basically it took me 1 year to get my first affiliate marketing commission. And today I want to show you how you can get results fast as humanly possible. But it's important for you to know that to succeed with affiliate marketing, you need to put in the work, you need to be persistent and not quit, because otherwise it's going to be difficult to succeed with this business model. So if you're watching this video, maybe you know that affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products. And basically what we're doing is that we can promote physical or digital products. And those companies gave us affiliate links. And when someone click the link and buy the product through that link, we can make an affiliate marketing commission. I'm going to put this document in the description if you want to download it. This is going to be a checklist that you can use it if you want to start with affiliate marketing. So step number one is you need to choose a niche. And one of the best niches that you can choose are the make money online, the health and fitness, and relationship. You can see in the screen that these are some websites that you can visit to find products. So ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace. And here you can find products to promote. For example, if I click on all, you can see that we have products for arts, for betting systems, business and investment, e-business and e-marketing, fiction, games, green products. So we have many categories of products. And you can choose, for example, you can click here on top offers to see which are the offers that the affiliates are selling. And you can see this one, Live Pure. So if you want to promote this product, you only need to click here on promote, create hub link, and this is the link that you need to promote. And if someone buys the product through this link, you can make a commission. Basically, this is the sales page. So I'm going to copy this page and paste it here. So you can see the page. So check this out. This page has already here my ID. And basically this product is a weight loss product. So people that want to achieve like their health and fitness goals, and if they click here, tap to play, they're going to watch the video. Watch the shocking video now. Yes, and then if they want to buy this product, they can do it. And if they buy, you can make a commission. So it's important for you to know that if you're going to promote something, you need to know that the product that you're promoting, it's going to give value to the people. So check this out. We have here another weight and loss product, Alpilium. They pay $136 per sale. So the first one, they pay $148. That means for every sale you make, you can earn $148. Another example is JVSU. This is an affiliate marketplace as well. And we have Digistore. So these are similar websites. We have the categories, and you can choose whatever you want. For example, sports, or if you like personal development or languages, you can promote these products. For example, here this product pays $66. You need to click here, promote now, create a Digistore account, and you are going to be able to promote any product of these affiliate networks, which is a really awesome business model because you don't need to create your own product, buy inventory, or ship anything. You just need to send traffic to the affiliate link. But you need to do it the right way if you want to build an affiliate marketing business for the long term. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Step number two is choose a product. And here we have two types depending of the dependings of the amount of the commission that you can earn. So a low ticket product is a product that is going to pay you like very little commissions. For example, $5, $10, $50. And a high ticket product is when you make a commission of $500 or more. And I think that if you want to start with affiliate marketing, it's better to start with a high ticket product. Why? Because the same basically the same amount of time and work that you are going to do promoting basically any product. For example, if it's a low ticket or a high ticket, you are going to spend that same amount of time on the low ticket or the high ticket product. So write in the comments if you're willing to, for example, if you're willing to work like 2 or 3 hours per day to promote a product, how much money do you want to earn? $50 or $500? So if you promote high ticket products, you can make more money than if you promote the low ticket products. That's why I highly recommend to promote high ticket products if you are starting out. But if you want to test the waters, you can try the low ticket. But if you do the math, it's like better to use your time to promote a high ticket product because you're going to have a high return. Step number 3, build a personal brand around your own journey. So basically, this is like if you're going to promote something, you need to know that the product is going to give value to other people. And basically, you are documenting your own journey and talking about the product. For example, I'm going to show you, this is my TikTok account, and here I started to document my own journey when I started to promote a high ticket affiliate marketing training. So and I started like day 1, day 2, day 3. Like today I made zero money, and basically you just start to document your journey, and those videos are going to attract an audience, and you are going to start getting subscribers. And when you get to 1,000 subscribers on TikTok, you are going to be able to put your link in the bio. And this is really powerful because all the people who want information more about the product that you're promoting, they're going to click here and they will go to your system, your 24/7 sales system. And if they buy, you can make a commission. That is why this strategy is powerful, because you are building your own audience, you are promoting something that you believe, and basically you are using that product and showing your own journey. So you can create a TikTok account, a YouTube account, an Instagram, and a Facebook account, and start creating content. And I know that if you are starting out, maybe it's like overwhelming to create content. That is why there is a strategy that you can use, which is the 5-second silent video method, in which you can create simple videos without talking. So let me show you this one. So here I'm just like typing in the keyword and I put music, focus on your goals. And this video has 162 views. And this same video, I can upload it to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. And if you want to start, this is a really cool way to start creating content, because it's not easy to start speaking to the camera, and I know the feeling. Okay, step number 4, create a 24/7 sales system. So basically,